This is a really great set of pans. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this 4-piece set of single-serve pans. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So you have so many options with these pans. These are non-stick pans, so cooking eggs, grilling sandwiches, really anything is going to be a breeze on these. You can kind of see here that these are actually smooth on the bottom. It kind of looks like they're bumpy. It's not. They're actually smooth on the bottom. We tested this with a grilled sandwich, and it was grilled to perfection, and of course, it did not stick. Then we also tested these with eggs, because the real test of a non-stick pan is to make eggs in them, and look at how great this worked. These pans also have a nice stainless steel handle, which we were really surprised actually stayed cool while cooking. A lot of the time, metal handles of pans tend to get hot, and these did not. These pans also clean up really nice and easy. Now, as I said, these are smaller sized pans, which makes them great for single serving or maybe a couple or maybe even your next set for your RV. This is a 4-piece set of pans that includes a 6-inch fry pan, a 7.5-inch fry pan, a 6-inch single serve griddle, and then there is a saucepan as well that's about 1/3 of a quart. So this is going to cover all of your cooking needs in the kitchen. Honestly, these were great. They didn't warp, the handle stayed cool, nothing stuck to them, and they wash really easily. These pans are going to last a long time. We recommend these.